First, I cut the tree about 10 centimeters above the ground. Then, I smoothed the surface with a knife so there are no rough edges. Next, I make a straight cut down the middle of the trunk. This is where the sign will be inserted. Now, I am making a shallow cut, just enough so that the sign can make proper contact with the cambium. Let's look at the sign now. I carefully pull the bark away from the wood so the sign can fit into the cut. Now I insert the sign into the place I prepared earlier. I make sure it fits well and touches the cambium layer. Now it's time to seal everything to keep the graft safe. The grafting is now complete. Now I wait about 1 month before coming back to this forest to see the results. For me it's a long wait, but for you it's just a few seconds. Let's jump forward and see what happens. About 1 month later, I came back to check the graft. I see a few small leaves growing from the sign. This is a good sign. The graft is alive and starting to grow. Some more time has passed, and I came back for another check. The new branch has grown about 10 centimeters and has several leaves. Because this tree is in a wild area at the edge of a forest, some insects have eaten parts of the leaves. But overall, the growth looks healthy and the graft is doing well. 1 month later, I came back again to check the graft, and the sign has grown over 30 centimeters. It's no longer soft and green. It has started to harden and to turn into wood. This shows that the graft is strong and well connected to the rootstock. Some more time has passed, and I came back to check the graft again. This time, I carefully removed the tape to see what happened underneath. I can see that the graft has taken well. There is a layer of callus forming around the cut, and the sign is firmly connected to the tree. This means the graft is healing and growing successfully.